Hi, I'm Emily Grenz, and I'm here at Lotto Washington, D.C. campus, and this is one of Lotto's tips. Today we're going to talk about the first conditional. As you know, in English, there are 4 kinds of conditional: 0, first, second, and third. First conditional is most useful when you're talking about future plans. So imagine you and your friend, you're talking on the phone, and your friend says, "Hey, you want to go to the gym with me later today?" You can tell them, "If I have time today, I will go to the gym." If, with future plans, goes like this. The most important part is if. If is sticky. Imagine that this side is sticky like gum with the rest of the part of this sentence right here. We're going to call this A. If I have time today. Today, if you are free, maybe school is finished early, then you have time. Have is present simple. But you see, this sentence is more like 2 sentences put together. The first part is A. The second is B. Now remember, A with if is sticky. Sticky with if. This is important because you see here we have present simple, but will go is future. And now look at what we can do. We can switch them, parts A and B. And the sentence has the same meaning. I will go to the gym if I have time. But you see, if, it's sticky, so it stays with A. And B goes over here, future simple and present simple. What happens if is not sticky? What if you move if? Then you get a sentence like this. If I will go to the gym, I have time. We have mixed A and B, and if is not sticky with A, and it doesn't make sense. It is not logical. So remember, if is sticky with your present simple, the other part is future, and you'll have no problems making plans with your friends. This has been another of Lotto's tips. Stay tuned for more.